Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn some sight words, special words that we can see when we read.
Yeah, what are sight words, Mom?
Sight words are the words we should remember when we see them. We don't always sound them out, we just know them.
Cool, let's learn some.
A
A
and B
B
I
I
is
is
in
in
it
it
of
of
that
that
the
the
was
was
awesome. So there are different examples for this, like you are my friend, we have the money, the dog is happy. So all these sight words together are be, I, was, in, it, the. Great job friends to learn the sight words today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
great. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.